Introducing the skyVac Atom Sonic, the perfect vacuum for fast and effective gutter cleaning. This vacuum features a 2,800 watt motor and is able to achieve the right mix of suction power to tackle all kinds of gutter cleaning projects. With a 110-inch water lift and 7,166 litres per minute airflow, this vacuum is the perfect gutter cleaning solution. The blow function is also ideal for removing pine needles and other garden projects. The multi-directional wheels with lockable casters make for easy manoeuvring, and the 45-litre steel drum is compact enough to slot away into the van. Included as standard is the skyVac Atom Sonic, hose bag, a range of end tools and hairpin neck, wire-reinforced hose, a wet and dry floor toolkit, 2 skyVac band stickers and a user manual.